Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a useful trick in Microsoft Word on how to make your document headings collapsible. But here's the catch. If you're using Word on Mac, you might notice that the collapsible heading option isn't available by default. I'll show you a smart workaround using Outline View. First, open your Word document. As an example, I have a file about animals. Right now, the sections in this document aren't structured yet. To get started, we need to assign proper heading style to each section so Word can recognize the structure. Now, let's highlight the main title and set it to heading 1. Then for subtopics like vertebrates, invertebrates, and wonders of the animal kingdom, we'll use heading 2. For more detailed points under each subtopic, use heading 3. Once all your headings are styled, we can move on to organize them. Next, go to the View tab at the top, then click Outline. Your document now enters outline mode. Here, each heading is shown as a level. Heading 1 becomes level 1, heading 2 becomes level 2, and so on. This hierarchy helps you control which parts of the document that you want to show or hide. Now comes the fun part, collapsing and expanding sections. Use the minus button on the outline tools to hide the content under the heading. Each click collapses one level deeper, first hiding body text, then subheadings, until you only see your main heading. To expand them again, use the plus button or double click on any heading to quickly open or close its content. Now, do you want to view only certain levels of your documents? Click the show levels, drop down in the outline tools, and pick the level you want. Level 1 shows only main heading, level 2 adds subheadings, and level 3 reveals even more detail. If you ever need to reassign a headings level, select it and use the green arrow. Promote, the left arrow, moves it up one level, or demote, right arrow, to move it down one level. Once you're done organizing, click Close Outline View to return to the regular layout. And that's it. That's how you simulate collapsible headings in Microsoft Word on Mac using Outline View. Pretty handy, right? If this helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, contact us through our website if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Word tutorials and productivity tips.